What's up, YouTube? So we are in Lake Worth, Florida, and took a little road trip down to the beach. We're going to be here for a couple days, and we're planning to do some snorkeling and explore the area. And here's Ash, and we are going to go find a Cuban and do a road trip in the Jeep, a little driving, so we'll figure it out. Hey guys, so here we are in Miami, and we are at Versailles Bakery. I believe that's how you say it. But it's one of the oldest Cuban restaurants in Miami, and we're gonna go grab some food. Man, it might be in the car. Probably, I might have one in my bag. Huh? Alright, so here we are at Versailles, and we got some food. That is
Pulled pork. Braised Cuban pork.
Braised Cuban pork. And we have the sampler, which is the empanadas and the croquitos and the yuca fries. And of course, I went with the classic Cuban. So yeah, this place is authentic. If you want to taste the Havana, you come here. All right, so we have an official opinion on the croquetas.
If I didn't know it was meat, I'd like it. The fact that it's meat and it's smushy, I'm not sure. It tastes good.
So this is what the inside looks like, and it's like it's supposed to be, I think, ham and cheese or chicken and cheese, and somehow wrapped and deep fried. But it's good. It tastes good, but it's definitely a texture food. So heads up, if you order croquetas, texture food, empanadas, awesome. Wrapped up lunch, and got us some dessert and some espresso, some Cuban coffee. So in Cuba, and in a lot of places in the world, you don't start your breakfast or your lunch with the coffee. You finish it with the coffee. So we had our meal, and then ordered some rice pudding and some Cuban coffee. And it's pretty much like straight espresso, like strong and not very sweet. So definitely Ashton's cup of tea or coffee. So here we are in Little Havana, and lots of cigar shops, little restaurants, and pretty much just Cuban places, Cuban food, Cuban markets, and yeah, some cool little art gallery. So if y'all ever come to Miami, make sure you hit this up, check it out. Alright, so when you're in Little Havana, you gotta stop and get you some cigars. Awesome little cigar shop. So we made that pit stop. We're good to go. do. Yeah, making people nauseous. Right.
Outtakes 2.0.
2.0. What's up, y'all? Miami Beach. This has been an awesome day. We hit up Little Havana and we got some aerial shots, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Flying over the beach, flying over South Beach and the, you know, the little bars, restaurants. We got some Cuban cigars, but not from Cuba. They were rolled by Cubans, so that was pretty cool. And we just enjoyed the rest of the day on the beach. So yeah, if you ever come to Miami, check this out. It's a really cool beach, and earlier it was just totally popping. Obviously we haven't, it's getting dark and the sun's setting. What's up, guys? So today we're getting ready to take the jet ski, JD's jet ski, one of our friends, getting ready to take it out to Snook Island. So the ladies are getting loaded up and JD's got the jet ski in the trailer and we're gonna go check this spot out. Hope you guys enjoyed Miami. We were there yesterday. Today should be a lot of fun too. So we're in Lake Worth, Florida, getting ready to go to Snook Island, and yeah, come on. Hey guys, so we just spent a day at the beach. We were in Pompano, which is South Florida, about 30 minutes north of Miami, 30 minutes north of Miami. And we went up to Hillsboro Lighthouse, which is probably another 5 minutes up from Pompano Beach. I think it's still in the same area. We couldn't go visit the lighthouse because it was like part of a private club. So it didn't seem like there was any way to get there, but we got these shots of it, which are pretty awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying that. And so yeah, we wanted to share that with you guys. Pretty awesome beach. There was like a seaweed soup thing going on because of the hurricane, so you know, it's all right. But yeah, anyway, so here we are by the canal, or the intercoastal waterway, and you know, we're just checking out some of these yachts right here. You know, no big thing. I mean, really small boats if you think about it. I mean, put it in perspective, you know, pretty small compared to, I don't know, cruise ships or something. So yeah. So we're just enjoying a drive up. We are on our way to Delray to spend some time with some friends, and we just wanted to kind of stop and talk and give you guys a little bit of an update on what we've been doing and where we're at, and yeah, hope y'all enjoy.